In this video, I'm going to show you how to make video calls on Telegram quickly and easily. Whether you want to start a video chat with someone face to face or make a regular audio call, Telegram makes it simple once you know where to click. This is a great feature if you want to stay connected with friends, family, or teammates without switching apps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account first so you can access your chats. Once Telegram is open, look through your chat list and click on the conversation with the person you want to call. This can be a private chat or any conversation where calling is available. After opening the chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the call icon there. Click that call icon to open the calling options. Telegram will then give you a choice between starting a video call or starting an audio call. If you want the other person to see you, click Start Video. This will begin a video call and turn on your camera once the call connects. If you just want a normal voice conversation, click Start Call instead. That will place an audio-only call without using your camera. Once your call starts, you can talk just like on any other calling app. Make sure your microphone and camera permissions are allowed on your computer if you run into any issues. Also, if the other person doesn't answer right away, you can simply try again or send them a message first to let them know you're calling, and that's it. Now you know how to make video calls on Telegram using Telegram desktop. It only takes a few clicks, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to remember. If this guide was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.